Well, hello there. So today we are gonna create this amazing soft cut crease makeup look that's perfect for wearing for if you want some everyday glam in your life. This look is sure to make you look classy and make you stand out from the crowd. If you're interested, let's get started. So yes, I'm gonna start off this look with my brows. And the basic trick is to draw parallel lines and then slowly fill it in. That's all what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna draw parallel lines. And yeah, don't freak out if you create any mistakes during the way because you can always just conceal it. So I've applied some concealer around my eyes, and while I do my eyes, I want my contour to set, and thus I am gonna apply my contour first and then start off with the eyes. I've traced it off with a tone that is richer than my skin tone, and in order to create a depth effect, I am going to use a tone that is a combination of browns and silvers. And I'm doing this because I want my face to look sculpted. And the trick for the nose contour is to draw a straight line down from where your eyebrow ends. And that's what I'm doing. Instead of looking straight, look aside and then just draw it down. Draw a V in the end to give it a pointed look. Now for my eye look, I am going to draw right on top of my eye socket bone, like not where your eye creases, but instead on the bone itself. Like just touch your eye to feel your bone, and that's where you want to apply the eyeshadow. Apply it in small scratchy motions. These small scratchy motions makes it easier for you to blend the eyeshadow, and it's almost like you're applying it and blending it at the same time. Now I'm taking a transition shade that is a rust color on the same brush and applying it right on top of the earlier shade, and I'm going to blend it up, and I'm also going to leave some space for the nude shadow. The reason why you shouldn't be doing your foundation before your eyes is because there can be fallouts during the way, and if you do the foundation first, you have to redo it again. So do your eyes first. Lastly, I am taking a nudish tone and I'm gonna apply it right under my eyebrow, and I'm gonna use it to blend all the three shadows together. You know that your eyeshadows are well blended when you can see that there is no line of separation. You can't tell where one shadow starts and where the other one ends, and yet it gives you an ombre effect. Like here it's more on the nudish tones, then bit of rust, and lastly some bronze. Now comes the cut crease part, and for that I am using a flat brush. That is the most preferred brush for drawing a cut crease because it gives you a precise and perfect line. I'm gonna start off with my inner corner and then move out. And now you can either use a brush or your finger to pat on some glittered shadow. As you can see, it is well blended now, and that's the way I like it more. Now I'm gonna replicate the same on the other eye, and I'll be back in a jiffy. That I'm done with the other eye as well, I am gonna apply an eyeliner to complete the look. Alright, so now I'm also done with my eyeliner. Now we're gonna apply some mascara to the look. And I always like to apply it first on top of my eyelashes and then underneath it. And now I'm gonna bake around the areas where I want to look snatched. So yeah, now that we're done with baking the eye, I'm gonna move towards the lips. Now for the lips, I am gonna draw an X on my upper lip. And now I am gonna define my Cupid's bow, and that I'm gonna do by overlining my lips just one notch up. So if my lip line is here, I'm gonna overline here and not here. Now I'm gonna connect this overlined lip with my natural lip line towards the corners. Lastly, I'm just gonna take some foundation on my finger and I'm gonna dab it on my lip, on the central part of my lip. Next up is time for some mandate blusher. And that, my friends, concludes this look, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you in my next video. Bye bye, and have a great day ahead.